This is the creation of the earth. 450 steps daw ito. Kabigat ng mga paa na umaakyat. Tug, 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 tug. Yan. Yeah, tama. Diba, Lency?
Yeah.
So, yan. Oh, Nativity, the birth of Christ.
I don't like this now.
Okay, this is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased. Oh, this is Jesus' baptism by John the Baptist. Oh, malapit na daw. So, andito na tayo sa Jerusalem. Hingal. Jerusalem. Ito yung pagpasok ni Jesus sa Jerusalem. Yan. The Last Supper. May umuubo na. May hinihika na. Okay. Malapit na. Agony in the garden. So this is the time that Jesus is praying in the Garden of Gethsemane. Okay. So, tuloy natin. Oh, may nauuna. It's Lency. Alright. Oh, let's go. Scourging at the pillar. Ang pagtaltal, crucifixion. Oh, sarap ng hangin ah. Ang aking kalugong ay nahulog. So yan. Jesus crucifixion. So yan po. Si Jesus at ang dalawang makasalanan magnanakaw. Okay? Okay, yan. So maganda ang view dito. Mula dito sa tuktok ng bundok. Napakaganda. Kitang-kita yung city of San Joaquin. Diba? Okay. Oh, you found the money. Do not get the money because that is not ours if you found the money. Oh, tuloy natin. Ito ang resurrection. Okay?
Oop, yeah.
Oh, malapit na. Pagkayab Ascension. Ayan. So, that is Jesus. Ascension to heaven. Oh, that is Andre. Pagod na. Okay. And we are here already. Pinakatuktok. Sus, maraming beses na kuhang-kuha ang butoy. Malaki. Ay, Divine Mercy. Parang sa, ano yun? Salvador. Oops, wag yan. Do not hold that one. parang El Salvador City. Doon sa may Divine Shrine of the Divine Mercy. So, yan. Napakaganda dito. Napakaganda. Diba? This way to the Divine Mercy, Dark Meditation, and Heavenly Scenario. Okay.
Para makita tong kabila.
Comfort room, canteen. Oh, may canteen dito, kuya. Baka gutom kayo.
Ha?
May canteen po. Dark
Malamig.
Meditation. Garin Farm, Divine Mercy, Dark Meditation. Ay,
Wow.
this is Dark Meditation.
Wow.
Entrance.
Ah.
This entrance. It's really a dark meditation. Oh, hindi kita. Medyo natatakot tuloy si Andre. So, ayan dito. Maliwanag na po. Oh, dito na pwede nang mag-pray. Oh. Saan sila? Naririnig ko sila. Oh.
Wow, nga naman. Ganda. Ganda. Hindi ba madulas?
Oops, Andre. Don't be noisy. Andre, don't be noisy. Oh.